camp creator has been bloody awesome. Folks, it's been a while. It's probably like 7 weeks since I uploaded a video from when we were last in Scotland. Bit of a different one today. We're on a van life weekend, joining up with the guys from Camp Creator. But before that, you can't beat a stop off at Aldi with this man.
So who else are meeting, mate? Oh, you're filming me?
Yeah.
You're filming me, filming you.
You can't beat a good stop off at Aldi, can you, mate? Was it for cheese by any chance?
Yeah, for cheese, yeah.
Yeah, I thought it was. So there we go. We're off on an adventure. It's a van life adventure, as I just said. There's going to be quite a few YouTubers there in the Camp Creator part. I'll explain more when we get there, but for now we've got 80 miles to do. Let's hit the road. Oh, what a nightmare. This is an absolute joke. What the hell is going on?
Come on, mate. You can't park there, sir.
Well, folks, we finally arrived. I am in the right place, thank God.
So all I need to do is
Thank God for that.
Are you displaying as well, or are you just in the...
No, I'm not displaying, I'm just with the Camp Creator.
No. There is marshals there, they'll tell you anyway, but Camp Creator is literally just in front.
All right,
so
okay.
You'll see them all down there.
Well, thank you very much.
Right, lovely, have a good weekend.
Same to you, bye-bye.
Bye.
We're in. Let's go. Look how busy this is. Right, let's go and get pitched up. And then we'll have a look around. So we've arrived there now fully at Camp Creator. First event I've ever been to. I've never been to an event like this before. I've seen a few people that I know. Lisa from Northerners on Tour, just clocked her as I've came in. But look how busy it is. Camper vans bloody everywhere. There we go, 6 hours later, we are set up. The van has probably changed a lot since you last saw it. Now I've got my rock and roll bed in, which I'm chuffed to hell with. I've even bought my iPad so I can watch a film tonight. Kitchen's all in, the table's there. Cool box used to live in there, but now the cool boxes live in there. I've got the front cover for it, seats turned round. Let's go and have a catch up with a few people that are already here. Just going to go check in quick with Brendan Explores, see what he's doing.
I'm going to be having steak like you.
Yes,
A medium rare rump steak. I'm going to have some of your mushrooms in a minute.
Come and grab them. Yeah.
I'm also going to have... No, what am I doing? What am I on about? No, steaks for tomorrow night. No, you didn't hear that. You didn't hear that. I'm going to be cooking tonight my famous burger wraps. You saw that video?
Yes, I saw the video. And my other half did.
Do you want a little nibble of it?
Oh, I'll have a nibble of yours if you have a nibble of mine.
Right, I'm gonna nick some of your mushrooms tomorrow, though, okay?
Yeah, come and grab them, mate. They'll be there. Yeah.
So I'll cook some burger wraps up, and Dave might get a bite if he's lucky.
So what I've actually done then for the time being is A Shropshire Lad is left cooking on his own, whilst I have actually just nabbed his daughter Hattie, who's actually going to cook for me. So thanks very much, Hattie. Really appreciate it. You right there, Gord? Looks like you need another pair of hands, mate.
No, it's all under control.
You're doing a fantastic job, Hattie. Yeah. Look at that. Time to tuck in, folks. Let's see what Hattie's cooking is all about.
2 hours later.
I asked for medium rare. It's like a fucking leather sofa. Nevertheless, thank you, Hattie. That was very good. Right, funnily enough, that is night one over with. So we've been up in the beer tent. I'll probably put a few pictures on now. Been great to meet all the other people. Tash and John from Life Beyond Bricks. It's lovely to meet you guys. And Ads Adventures, great to meet you and Becky, man. Got all the shiz right here ready to bang on the bed. Few too many to drink. Standard. But I'll catch up with you lot in the morning. Good night.
Nice one, mate. Thank you very much. That'll do me just nicely.
And a very good morning from Stratford upon Avon, and what a morning it is. Last night things got a little bit hot in the beer tent last night. Christ, what an evening. Great to meet up with some other fellow creators as well. John and Tash from Life Beyond Bricks. Dazza, the Urban Motorhome. I like that guy. He's just straight to the point, he is. Ads Ventures as well. Caught up with him and Becky in the beer tent as well. And yet we've still got this raving lunatic still in bed. He was half cut by about 5 PM he was. Kudos to Brendan, he makes a good egg. Anyway, breakfast is served. Let's get that done, tackled, and see where the day takes us. So the time's 12 o'clock now, and we're going to make our way into the tent, and we're going to go and see what that's all about, meet the YouTubers and see what it's all about. How you feeling this morning, mate? You were a bit wrecked last night, weren't you?
No, David, we've taken this very sensibly and grown up like. And the footage will reflect that.
He was absolutely belled last night, weren't you? Yeah, if I can find them, I'll stick a couple of pictures on screen. Right about. No.
Yeah, I try and interact with as many people that follow us. I try and follow back as many people that follow us as well.
Vans bloody everywhere. But one of our friends is here, so we're just going to go and take a look at their crafter now. It's all been Raptor painted, so in fact, here it is. Oh, Espadrille. So this van belongs to a couple of friends of ours. Just had it Raptor painted, and inside he's looking bloody lovely. For the audience, this is.
What audience?
Good question here. Loving the rustic wood effect. That is bloody lovely. You can just see the Raptor paint here. See how it's all rippled, and I won't touch it, Joe, don't worry. I know you hate wiping those grubby finger marks off. Have you ever seen a van like this? Ladder going up to the decking area. Seeing that Mini takes me back to the day where I used to race them in the old autographs. I'll pop a picture on now so you can have a look. It didn't look anything like that though. Stalls and vans everywhere. Coming to the trade stalls now. Let's have another good look around them. been a full-on morning, as you've just seen there, with all the vans, and some vans on show there are looking absolutely bloody gorgeous. I know this is a different type of video because you guys are normally used to seeing me up in the hills, in the mountains with a tent, etc. But today, well, this weekend, we're slumming it large in the van. Right, let's get some dinner on. Look at this idiot. So just had a simple pot noodle, as you've seen. Look who returns. You twat.
I thought I'd have a break from cooking.
Yeah.
I'm cooking steak tonight, but I thought I could do something.
He's cooked sod all. All he's done is just an egg this morning.
Bugger off, I cooked my wraps last night.
Oh, sorry. What an afternoon, guys. Bloody hell. Right, come back to the van. I think I need half an hour to myself just to chill out, do my own thing. But what an event this has been so far. There's been lots of people looking around the van. There's been some great interest in the van. Even had somebody offer me 8k for the van, which I declined. I think it's worth a little bit more than that. Anyway, time to sit back, chill for a little bit. Right, pasta's out. Tonight's choice for tea. Pasta, peppers, cheese. See you when it's done. What are we saying about that, ladies and gents? Absolutely divine, and I'm feeding the majority of these people here. Just here. So for any of you van lifers that worry about space, big duvets, big pillows, you gotta have a comfy pillow though, haven't you? But duvet, if you want to do away with one of them, because my niche really is from wild camping, I might have the answer for you. This is what we call the ice flame down quilt. Flip it over, you can see that the zip only comes up minuscule. So it does act as a quilt, but it's down and it goes down to 6 degrees. So for those of you that are worried about space, hopefully this could be a great little addition to saving space for you. It literally packs down into a 6 litre dry bag, which, to give you a rough estimation on size, yeah, about that and about like that. When you're not in your van, always take it out, keep it lofted. But these retail at about 76 quid. I know they're a little bit on the expensive side, but for weight purposes, it might be ideal. But I use this instead of using a duvet. Goes down to 6 degrees, and it is called the Ice Flame Quilt. Lofts up really good. And I can genuinely say that it's bloody warm. A lot of the nights when I'm in here, I do have to sleep without that on because it's too warm. But for space, it's great. If ever, I'm not here to sell anything, but just a little tip to maybe help some of you out. But if you're interested, I'll leave a link in the description. It's non-affiliated. They're off AliExpress. Sometimes you do have to wait about 7 to 10 days for them to arrive, but normally they're pretty good and they're with you within the week. I know quite a lot of us wild campers use them. So obviously where we go up in the mountains, etc., they're quite good. Link in the description. Have a look. If it's for you, brill. If it's not, don't worry about it. Move on. Right, let's take you through the whole van life community and what the atmosphere is like. It's buzzing round here, isn't it? Evening, sports fans. The time's bloody midnight. So we've had a cracking evening. Haven't done much filming. Last time you saw me, I was up out over on the main stretch here with Brendan. But now it is midnight, back in the van. Time to get my head down. But before I do, I'm going to finish watching a film, which I started earlier. So I'm going to finish watching this, and I'll catch you lovely lot for day 2 of the Vanlife Festival. See you on the morrow. Fucking hell, I ain't gonna lie to you. What a night that was. And I've just woke up. Right, time to get a coffee on and get some breakfast on.
From like, you know, taking the mix perspective, but like genuinely, because like from a...
So just to give you guys an idea of how small this quilt that I use squashes up to, I always try to keep it in what we call a storage bag, just to keep the down lofted a little bit. So just to give you an idea then, this is how much it can compress down if you wanted to keep it in like a dry bag. There you go. So it is pretty small storage. It's got to be for the win, that has. Link in the description. It's not an affiliated link, but if anyone wants to go and check it out, go for it. Right, so it's been a great weekend here at the Camp Creator and the Vanlife Festival. It was, I keep getting mixed up, there's that bloody many. So we're heading off now. Do apologise if it's been a bit of a mix and match type of video. We've just said our goodbyes to some people. Highlight Courts and Meeks. They're the only people really that come around and said hello during the event to us, which was lovely. Lovely van, and it was great to meet them. Thanks ever so much to Gord, A Shropshire Lad, go and check him out. And also thanks to Brendan Explores for a cracking couple of nights, shall we say, with some good friends in our own little area. And I'd best say a thanks to DRUID RAMBLER, primarily known. Yeah, you can't put a sticker on Steve if you're watching this. I'd be ashamed of that. That's crazy.
Just don't get it out.
But anyway, Vagabond Adventures. Thanks to you guys, and also a big thank you to everybody here that's come and said hello. It's been great. So anyway, that's it from me. Again, apologies if it's been a bit mix and mash, but first Vanlife Festival, and it's been great. I'm sure we'll see you up in the mountain soon. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching, and I'll see you on another non-lockdown adventure with me, Dave Outdoors. Ta-da. Best take you home. See you later.